children, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. Today we are back again with another interesting topic, that is the three magical words. These words bring magic when spoken. So let's have a look at them. The three words are please, sorry and thank you. So let's repeat it once again. Say please, sorry and thank you. The first word is please. We say please when we ask for something. Now in this picture, we can see the little brother is asking his sister to help him make the blocks. So what will he say? Could you help me please? He is using the magical word please so that his sister can help. Let's look at the next picture. Please give me another piece of cake. The little child is asking her mother to give another piece of cake. So she is using the magical word please. Let's look at the next picture. Here you can see the kids are playing with each other. The first kid is saying, could you give the car please? So he's asking for the car. Now, how do we use please? We use the word please in three different positions in a sentence: front, middle and end. Front position. Please, could I borrow your pen? Please, would you carry my bag? In the front position, we are using please right at the beginning of the sentence. Middle position. Could I please borrow your pen? In this sentence, we are using please right in the middle of the sentence. End position. Could I borrow your pen, please? Would you carry my bag, please? In the end position, we are ending the sentence with the word please. The next magical word we come across is the word sorry. We say sorry when we commit any mistake. Like in the picture, we can see one of the friend has hurt the other friend. So she is apologizing and saying sorry. Now, when should you say sorry? If you have made a mistake, hurt someone's feelings, broken something, let someone down, done something wrong, own up and say sorry. So you should never feel bad if you have done something. Instead, we should apologize and accept our faults and say sorry. Let's look at the picture. So what do you understand by looking at this picture? Yes, we can see the siblings or friends, they are fighting with each other. So we should not fight with our friends or siblings. This is not a good habit. Now we can see the opposite side of this picture is that we can see they both are apologizing to each other as well as they have ended their fight. So if we do something wrong, we should say sorry to them. I'm sorry for ruining your painting. It's wrong because I upset you. So what do you think we see in this picture? One of the friend has spoiled the painting by throwing the water on it or by spilling some waters from the cup. So he is saying sorry for that. Sorry, I ate all the food. One of the friend has eaten up the food, the other one couldn't get even a part of it. So she is apologizing and saying sorry. And last, we come across another word, the word that is thank you. So when do we say thank you? We say thank you when someone does something good for us. Now let's look at this picture. We can say the girl is saying thank you. So when someone gives you something, does something for you, saves you from any problem, helps you in any way, praises you, we should be thankful and say thank you. Let's see this picture. We can see the girl is giving a gift. The other one is accepting the gift and saying thank you. We can see the mother has given the child gift. So they both are very happy and they say thanks. So thanks is the short form of thank you. Now let's go through all the words that we have done. The first picture we can see The two friends, they are carrying gifts and they are walking. So that means if you get any gift from someone, which magical word shall you use? You are right. We should use the word thank you when we get some gift. Look at the next picture. We can see the girl is crying. What does it mean? It means that she has been hurt by someone. So if you hurt somebody, what should you say to that friend? You are right. We should say the word sorry. We should apologize and say sorry. Let's look at the third picture. What do you understand? What do you observe? Yes, the boy is completely confused with some question and he's not getting an answer. So, what is he doing? Now, he has to ask for some help to somebody. So, if you want to ask help, what should you do? You should use the third word, that is please. We should use the word please over here. So these are the three magical words that we should learn always and always apply in our daily life. I hope you liked our video and learned the three magical words. So let the magic be created in your life by using these words. Thank you everyone.